Hi, this is in front of you Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, we should hold for a while our device home screen with a finger, or just pinch with the fingers, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Click on the icon, and after that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, when you will click here to drop down, we can see that the calendar application has 4 different types of the widgets. For example, let's use the calendar schedule. Just click to add, wait a second, and now we can see that the widget automatically added to our home screen. If you want to resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. Also, we can move the widgets here on the screen or between the screens. Just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. And to remove the widget, we should hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.